Must all be aware of the recent changes and the provisions introduced in the budget through WhatsApp, news channels, and other media. So, today I have made a comparison statement of the old tax regime and the new tax regime till 31st March 2023 and the new tax regime which will be applicable from 1st April 2023 for salaried employee. There has been a change in the new tax regime for few provisions in the new budget what has been introduced in Feb 2023. So let's go ahead. In old tax regime till 23 March and therefore the income level for rebate eligibility is 5 lakhs. So till 5 lakhs, no tax. But in the new regime, government have introduced it to 7 lakhs. So in the new regime, the tax will be exempted, tax will be nil till the income is 7 lakh. And standard deduction is applicable in old regime and also it has been introduced in the new regime from 1st April 2023. The new regime till 31st March 2023 did not have standard deduction of 50,000 rupees, but that has been reintroduced in the recent budget. So, effective tax-free salary income in the old tax regime is 5.5 lakh and new regime till 31st March 2023 is 5 lakhs and from April 2023 it will be 7.5 lakhs. So, like no tax till 5 lakhs. This is because we get a rebate under section 87A which is 12,500 till March 2023 in the old regime and it will be 25,000 from 1st April 2023 for the new tax regime. So for that reason, our tax till 7.5 lakhs is nil. So in the old tax regime, we will be getting HRA exemption also, but that is not, the benefit is denied in the new tax regime. Same way, LTA, other allowances including food allowance of rupees 50 per meal subject to 2 meals a day and standard deduction of 50,000 that is available in the old tax regime, but that is not available in the new tax regime till 31st March 2023, but standard deduction is available from 1st April 2023. But the other three provisions like HRA, LTA and other allowance is not deductible from April 1, 2023. Entertainment and professional allowance was allowed as deduction in the old regime, but the same has been removed in the new regime. Perquisites for official purpose that will be there applicable in all the three regimes, but interest on home loan under section 24B that is till 2 lakh rupees that is available in old regime but that is not available in the new regime. Interest on home loan under 24B on let out house property can be claimed by all the three in all the three regimes, but EPF LIC that is deduction under chapter 6C 6 for under section 80C, the payments made towards investment in EPF, LIC, ELSS, PPF and children tuition fee etc. will be available in the old regime, but that is not deductible in the new regime. And also employees contribution to NPS that will be deductible in the old regime but not in the new regime, because in the new regime government has removed the deductions and it just increased the limit to 7 lakhs from 5 lakhs. Employers contribution to NPS that will be allowed as deductible income, But medical premium insurance under section 80D and disabled individual under section 80U, interest on education loan 80E, the deductions claimed under chapter 6C 6 is not allowed under new regime, but it is allowed under the old regime. Deduction on family pension income, that is allowed in all the three regimes. Likewise, gifts, exemption on voluntary retirement, exemption on gratuity, exemption on leave encashment, daily allowance, transport allowance, and conveyance allowance is allowed in all the three regimes. There is a change in exemption on leave travel leave encashment under section 10 AE. The changes like till 31st March 2023 it is 3 lakh rupees, but that is being increased to 25 lakh rupees from 1st April 2023. So this is a chart of what is the applicable deduction and not applicable deduction from the salaried employee. So before doing the tax planning, they can have a look in this chart and plan their tax accordingly and plan their salary component accordingly. Thank you.